Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of AI in fashion, and you're in for a treat. You'll learn how to locate designs with a high likelihood of success and little competition. Then, we're going to show you step by step on how to produce excellent designs and also reveal the best strategies to market your goods, especially if you're on a tight budget. And be sure to stick around until the end because I'll share some tips for increasing sales and making the most of your designs. Before we embark on this exciting AI-powered fashion journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on these game-changing insights. Step 1. Finding winning designs. To kickstart this exciting venture, your first step is to identify designs that possess the potential to turn heads and generate sales. Your choices should be firmly rooted in facts and statistics to ensure you're not wasting precious resources or time. While there are various methods to unearth these gems, I'd highly recommend a tool like Merchinformer. It's a comprehensive solution that provides you with nearly everything you need to get started. You can easily access Merchinformer by clicking on the link provided in the description below. Once you've done that, you can swiftly set up your free account. As you can see on the left side of your screen, there's an array of tools at our disposal to search for and assess designs that have a track record of selling like hotcakes. First up, let's talk about the Movers and Shakers tool. Ever heard of the bestseller rank or BSR? It's the secret sauce for identifying designs with strong sales potential. A low BSR indicates that a product is flying off the virtual shelves. But here's a pro tip: while browsing through these movers and shakers, take your time to select designs that resonate with you. However, exercise caution and avoid designs from brands like Disney that have trademark protection. We don't want any legal tangles, right? Step 2. Analyze products. Now, let's dive into Step 2, the art of analyzing products. We're going to take a real example, a product in the sports niche designed for basketball fans, and we're going to do our research on Amazon. Once we have found a design that we like, the first task at hand is to ensure we can use the key phrases used in this product into our own design. It's as simple as copying those essential terms and heading over to the Trademark Alerts tool. Once you've saved your changes and pasted the text, hit Check Trademarks. After a brief moment, if everything checks out, you'll see a reassuring green check mark. This means you're in the clear to use that phrase in your design without any legal concerns. Moving right along, let's talk about the Competition Checker tool. This is your secret weapon in the next stage of product analysis. Simply enter your search terms in the box and hit search. What this tool does is pure magic. It shows you how many products share the same design concept and reveals their bestseller rank, or BSR. In our example here, for the slogan "Ball is Life," there are a total of 80 products using this slogan, and there are 25 products with a bestsellers rank. Notice that letter grade on the right? It's like your product's report card. A stands for the best, followed by B, C, and so on. If you see an F, it's time to pivot to a different design idea. Additionally, as you scroll down, you'll get insights into the best-selling products. As you scroll down, the t-shirts with are ranked from the number 1 bestseller and move down. Let's compare these two designs. Let's take a look at this design, which is the 3rd bestseller on Amazon. It has a bestsellers rank of 246,206, with an estimated 7 sales. And we can compare it with this design, which is the 4th bestseller. It has a lower BSR of 296,803, with an estimated 1 sale. It seems these designs are performing, which makes them great sources of inspiration for our own creations. However, it's crucial to emphasize that while drawing inspiration from these successful designs, we can't simply copy someone else's ideas. Instead, we can use them as a springboard for our own unique and creative concepts. Step 3. Creating the image. Now, it's time to bring those designs to life. We've got a powerful tool in our arsenal called Leonardo.ai. For those of you who might not be familiar with it, Leonardo.ai is an AI text-to-image generator. All you need to do is input your design concept, and the bot takes care of the rest. Before you start creating your design on Leonardo, it's crucial to have a clear idea of its elements. This will help you choose the right words for the prompt. Let's revisit our basketball-themed example. The primary components are the basketball, and I have decided to going for a vintage-inspired look, as they are trending at the moment. Once you've got a firm idea, go to Leonardo.ai, go to AI image generation and begin by entering a / and then imagine, followed by describing the design you have in mind. In my prompt, you'll see that I included the major keywords for the design, like basketball player, retro-inspired, and cartoon style. But don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with new keywords. Originality is your secret sauce in setting yourself apart. Leonardo.ai has got a cool trick up its sleeve. It can generate not 1, not 2, but 4 images for you to choose from. And if, for any reason, you're not entirely thrilled with these options, no worries. Just type in a fresh prompt, and it'll whip up more images until you're absolutely satisfied. Once you've found the one, simply download the image onto your computer. Before we jump into the next step, I'd like to kindly request your support. If you found value in this video so far, please take a moment to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you valuable content. Let's move on. Step 4. Designing the artwork. Now, it's time to add those crucial finishing touches to your design before it's ready to hit the printing press. For this important task, we're turning to the design wizard known as Canva. To begin, place the image you've generated using Leonardo AI onto your canvas. Following that, it's time to incorporate the slogan we researched earlier. Don't hesitate to experiment with the arrangement of text and image to achieve your desired look. Once you're satisfied with your artwork, simply download the image onto your computer. But if you're ever feeling stuck for ideas for your slogan, don't worry. Take a look at your competitors' listings for a little creative spark. But always remember, it's your unique creativity that will make your design stand out. Step 5. Uploading your design. Now that your artwork is ready to shine, let's talk about how to get it out into the world. If you're just starting out with a tight budget, there's no better option than print on demand. This business strategy is your best friend. Here's why. With print on demand, third-party platforms handle the heavy lifting. They'll take care of the printing and delivery of your products to customers. So, you can breathe easy knowing that you won't have to worry about these logistical tasks. However, it's important to note that because the platform handles these services, they'll take a cut of your order. But that's perfectly fine, especially when you're just starting out. Some of the top players in the print-on-demand game include heavyweights like Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, Teespring, Zazzle, and TeePublic. Each of these platforms comes with its own set of pros and cons, and to dive deeper into what makes each one unique, you can check out a video I've previously recorded. It'll provide you with all the juicy details you need to make an informed decision for your print-on-demand business. The beauty of these platforms is that they draw in millions of visitors each month. So, you can count on organic traffic to come your way. But don't just rely on that. Make the most of the influence of social media to market your products. You can create posts on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, or wherever your target audience hangs out. Share your creations and let your unique designs do the talking. Strategies to maximize success. And as I promised, here are some fantastic strategies to maximize your outcomes and make the most of your designs. 1. Create variations. Experiment by creating several variations of your design. This can appeal to a broader range of customers. 2. Diversify your products. Apply the same design to multiple products. Don't limit yourself to just t-shirts. Think caps, hats, stickers, mugs, bags, water bottles, notebooks, and more. 3. Multiple platforms. Instead of sticking to just one platform, explore different print-on-demand websites. This increases your chances of generating more sales and helps you identify which platform works best for you. As we wrap up this creative journey, remember that by following these steps and embracing your creative spirit, you're on the path to building a thriving clothing business powered by AI. Now, I'm curious, which design themes or niches are sparking your excitement in your print-on-demand adventure? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more insightful content like this.